All right, so I spent more than 100 hours just looking for the signal, and finally, it's here. So let's put $100 and let's go up. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm investing $10, and I'm trying to go up until I reach $1,000 or something like that. So I'm sure that this signal is going to give me at least 12 candles to win. And yeah, this is by using my own strategy. So for my subscribers and the new subscriber on this channel, uh, remember, I'm using my own strategy on this channel and one strategy only. This strategy is based on 4 indicators. And if you are a student, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3 from my course. The course is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. There is there's some updates to the strategy that I'm using because there was some new events happening in the market. So we was uh, obligated to update the strategy. So yeah, let's take the first win. So I guess that the signal is clear. I guess the next one. Let me just check. Yeah, yeah. The next one is going to be an uptrend or a higher position. So let's put $19. Let's put everything and let's go up. Yeah, just wait for it a little bit. I'm sure it's going up. All right, let's go up. So, as I was saying, guys, the strategy is the same. There's only some updates to the way I use MACD. So, uh, that's what I always advise you guys to do. Is to stick to one strategy and one strategy only. So consistent trade strategy. This means that choose a trading strategy that fits your goals and stick to it. Please stick to it. You will win long term, even if you are losing now. But if you're changing, you will lose again and you will start over. So stick to a strategy, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or long term investment. Consistency is key. So choose one strategy, develop it, or learn it from somebody else. Uh, Practice on it. Practice, practice, practice. Try it on different assets, and at the end of the day, stick to it. You need to stick to the strategy. Um, Also, you need to have a good risk management plan. Let me just take, yeah, the second win. Yeah, as expected. I guess next the market will create small red candle or a small downtrend. I guess that we need to put, let's put everything and let's go down. Yeah, let's go down. All right. So if you don't want to learn my strategy, that's okay. But you need to develop a solid trading plan. Remember, solid trading plan, a trading plan that will not change, that follow rules, that you will always have the same results, even if you are not winning, but always the same results. So set clear goals, define what you want to achieve, uh, whether it's short-term gains or long-term gains. Yeah, amazing. So the third win. Yeah, the market should go down. As I was saying, the market went down from, yeah, here. It wasn't that clear. It wasn't that stable, but yeah, but I won. So let's go down again with $36. I was supposed to put everything, but just leave that $32 there. Hopefully, hopefully this will happen and this will be a win. Yeah, I guess this will be a win. So as I was saying, set clear goals, guys. Define what you want to achieve. It doesn't matter if you want short-term gains or long-term gains, but you need to have a solid trading strategy, a solid trading plan. Yes, 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 yes. I guess we still have another downtrend. This one was, oh my God, this one was beautiful. This one was clear and beautiful. All right, but I'm not. The indicators are confusing. Let's put $68 there. But I'm sure it's going down. It's going down. I don't know if I'm too late. Go down. All right. It's going down. So yeah. Also, guys, you need to have a good risk management method or plan. So determine your risk tolerance, set stop loss limits. This way you'll be protected against significant losses. So just take small loss better than letting it escalate. The losses escalate. Also, what happened when I updated the strategy is because the market was changing. There was some events, and I needed to update it. So always understand the market. Always understand what's happening. So educate yourself. Continuously learning about the market, trading instruments, what's happening with the economic indicators and stuff that like that will help you understand the market and will help you avoid losing decisions. Also, it's better if you follow trends. So always keep an eye on trends. Pay attention to market trends, news, global events that can make yeah, right. I guess that's the end of the downtrend. Let's go up. Let's put $129. Let's go up. Yeah. As I was saying, you need to pay attention to global events that can affect market movement because these type of the movement, market movement can't be detected by indicators. That's why you need to pay attention to them. Also, technical indicators, guys. Your strategy must be based on good technical indicators. There's some strategies that are not based on technical indicators, but I don't advise you to use these type of strategies because it's hard, a little bit hard. Yes, it's not clear. These type of strategies are not clear, and you need to be an advanced trader or professional trader to use. Yes, to use your own technical indicators or use nothing. Also, learn how to read charts, identify patterns, especially patterns. You need to identify patterns, different patterns, even your own patterns that you developed. So me personally, I have my own patterns. I developed a good amount of patterns that I follow that you can learn from the course in the description of this video. That I'm the only one using them, and that's okay. That's even better. Avoid using like different patterns that are not that reliable. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah. That's okay. Sometimes it's riskier to continue. That's why you should take breaks from time to time. Yeah. And that's okay if you take breaks from time to time. So You need to maintain emotional discipline. Emotional discipline is important, and you need to maintain it. So avoid any kind of emotional trading. So, for example, fear and greed. Don't let fear and greed drive your trading decisions. This will confuse you. So you need to stick to your trading strategy. Choose a good trading strategy. Stick to it. Don't let greed, fear, and emotions drive you out of your way. Also, if you need to take a break, that's okay. It's okay taking breaks. Trading can be stressful. From time to time, taking breaks helps maintain a clear and like objective mindset. So take breaks, please. Avoid the avoid using your emotions. If you are tired, just go out. And remember, patience is key. So be patient. Not every day is a trading day. Doesn't mean that you are trading and you must open trades all the time. Let's take it. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, just, just beautiful. All right. So as I was saying, patience is key. So sometimes the best trade is not a trade, right? So it's better if you avoid, if you're not 100% sure about your next movement and sure of the outcome, just avoid it. Not every day is a trading day. Also record and review your trades. So keep a trading journal. That's what I do sometimes. I write down some notes. uh, I document all my trades. uh, I just write notes about what I did right, what I did wrong, and yeah. So also weakness. We just yeah. So as I was saying, review performance. Regularly analyze your trading journal to identify your strengths and weaknesses. So learn from your mistakes. If you're making a mistake, that's okay. We all make mistakes, but you need to learn from your mistakes. So if you made a wrong decision, just write down what you did wrong, what your decision was based on what, why you lost here, and this will help you, trust me, in the future. Let me just take this. Oh, unfortunately, that's okay. That's okay. Here from this point, I guess the market will try to go up. So uh, usually I don't follow market news all the time, but it's better if you stay informed and adapt. Yeah, you should adapt to what's happening. So stay updated with the latest news, uh, and different developments in the financial world. This will affect the market that you are trading. So it's better if you stay informed. Also adapt to market conditions. So markets are dynamic. Markets change, and so should your strategy, right? Yes. So be flexible and ready to adapt. Ready to adapt. Yeah. I guess we still have two good trades to take. Um, if there will be any uh, updates or news about our strategy, I will share it with you here or on our website. So, continuous improvement, guys. Continuous improvement is key. Learn from your losses. treat losses as learning opportunities, analyze what went wrong and how you can improve. This will help you avoid the same mistake twice. Um, invest invest in education. Yeah, I'm not saying you should take our course, but you should invest in education. Just consider taking courses, reading books, learning from experienced traders to just to refine your skills. So I guess this is the last trade. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. Remember, this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. You could lose your money trading binary option. It's risky. Please be careful when trading. Don't trade with no plan, with no strategy, and don't trade with money that you can't afford to lose. Also, use demo account if you are a beginner, and yeah, hopefully you will learn and you will start making profit soon. So yeah, I guess that's it. We reached $1,474. It's beautiful. See you later.